guys hear that? Oh my god. I have the windows down so you guys can hear the exhaust. What a beautiful day today. I cannot wait for the summer. And what is up, guys? And today's video is gonna be insane. I know I'm back. I know you guys wanted me to come back to YouTube, and I'm freaking excited. I know this time I'm not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna stay and I'm gonna make more content every day. Well, not every day, because I work. I just bought a truck a couple days ago and I've been working on it. I gotta show the truck right now and I wanna see what you guys think about it. I know many of you guys that follow me on Snapchat. If you don't follow me on Snapchat, you can follow me over here. Well, something happened to my Subaru, but that's something that I want to be talking about in a different video, not on this one. Not in this one. I'm gonna do a separate video about it, and I'm gonna be, you know, getting on detail what happened with the car. And you know, it is really bad, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can see the truck from over here. There she is. All right, let's take a look to the truck. I want you guys to see it. It is crazy. I mean, it's not crazy, but that's something that is really fun to drive. Not every day, because you know gas prices are going up every day. So I know that's my dad's car. There's the Subaru. That, yeah, I don't want to talk about it yet. I want to focus on the truck right now. And yeah, what do you guys think about it? I know it's not nice or anything like that. I just paint the bumper yesterday. It doesn't look that bad for what it is. What do you guys think about it? And I removed the license plate from a car, and I put it on the truck, and with the black, it looks really cool, to be honest. So what do you guys think about it? I mean, I know it doesn't look that great, but hey, it is a truck. It is a 1997 Ford F150 XL. And what do you guys think about my antenna? I just bought it yesterday, and I know, like 5 days ago, but it came in yesterday, and it looks really good. I mean, the body is clean. Let's talk about the inside. I mean, it is clean for a 1997. It is really clean. I want you guys to guess how much I paid for this truck. Let me know down below, and if you guess right, you're right, buddy. And yeah, I need to clean it, and I need to clean some areas around the truck. Other than that, I mean, the truck is really clean. Oh, and I did that a couple days ago. My friend Zach, he did it for me. I'm gonna leave his Snapchat down below so you guys can text him, and you know, he can do window tint. He did my rear tint, as you guys can see, 5% around the truck. He's gonna be doing my front windows next week, on this week. And yeah, pretty much that. What do you guys think about it? I mean, to be honest, it's kind of fun to drive, but like I said, because of the gas prices are going up. It's not something that you guys want to be driving around every day, like I said. And I gotta get a new headlights for it. They're gonna be here soon. And tow mirrors, because these mirrors, I don't like them. I don't know why, but I don't like the look of them. So I'm getting new tow mirrors. They're gonna be here on Friday. And pretty much that's everything for the truck. Yeah, I need to fix that, but not right now. All right, let's go for a drive. I want you guys to hear the truck. Oh my god. Let's get the keys and let's go. Oh yeah, it rips, guys. Oh my god, you guys want to hear it? yes. V6. Oh my god. I want to go with the V8. I don't know why, but that's something that I really want to do to the truck. Get a V8 motor. Oh my god, that would be insane. So I can do burnouts. But I can do burnouts with the V6, but I don't know, man. That's something you're like, nah, it's not fun. And yeah, like I said, I need tow mirrors. So yeah, that's something that I'm getting on Friday, and I'm gonna do a video about installing the mirrors. So it's gonna be fun. All right, guys, so let's go for a test drive. I want you two guys to see the truck and how it drives. All right, let's go. Because the other day I was doing, like, where I live, this is a main area, like a main road, so there are always cops around. Feels nice to be driving a truck now, because I got used to the Subaru, and now driving this, it is different, to be honest. Oh my god. Oh, there you go. Oh, yes. Can you guys hear that? Oh my god. I have the windows down so you guys can hear the exhaust. That's the best part. So this truck is straight pipe. It has no mufflers or cat or anything like that. So it is a straight pipe. And it sounds insane. Can you imagine if this truck was a V8? Oh my god. It would be insane. That's why I was like thinking about getting a V8. But my friend, he was selling this truck and he gave me a deal with this truck. So I was like, I'm just gonna buy this truck, you know, and you can do a lot of things to afford, to be honest, for a couple $1,000s. Yeah, if you don't go crazy with the budget, oh yeah, you can do a lot of things. Like the antenna, it was like $11 on eBay, so it wasn't that crazy. Alright, man, so what do you guys think about the truck? Oh my god. And that window tint is so insane. If you guys want to get your car or truck tint, my friend Zach, he's gonna start his business in a couple days, and he did my window tint and all that. He only charged me like $60. Zach, if you're watching this, thank you, man. It was really nice. Let's see if there's no cars coming. Oh yes, oh yes, you guys can hear that V6. Oh, to be honest, it feels so nice to be back, guys. If you enjoyed this video, man, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification button so you guys cannot miss any of my videos that I post every, let's see, so what's today? Today's Tuesday. So on my YouTube channel, I have that I post every Tuesdays and Thursdays and Sundays, I believe, if I remember right, because it was a long time ago when I went to my YouTube channel and I look at it, and it feels nice to be back, man. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Like I say, if you enjoy it, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you guys cannot miss any of my videos. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.